Welcome to the world of three-wheeled vehicles, where innovation meets excitement head-on. These machines come in all shapes and sizes, from cutting-edge electric trikes to retro-inspired roadsters. Each one is designed to push the boundaries of what's possible on three wheels. CanAm Rker. The CanAm Rker provides an exciting and approachable gateway into the world of three-wheeled motorcycles. It combines modern efficiency with the timeless thrill of riding. Whether you go for the 600cc twin-cylinder engine or the 900cc triple-cylinder, the Rker promises dynamic adventures. Its low-maintenance drive shaft, automatic transmission, and ergonomic design ensure a comfortable and smooth ride. Toyota iRoad. The Toyota iRoad is an innovative two-seater electric vehicle that's perfect for navigating the busy streets of the city. With its active lean technology, the iRoad leans into turns like a motorcycle, giving you the feel of gliding through traffic. This little wonder is only 90 cm wide, making it an expert at zipping through tight spaces. Capable of speeds up to 37 mph, it's ideal for short city commutes. Electro Mechanica Solo. The Electro Mechanica Solo is a fully electric, single-passenger vehicle that reimagines daily commuting. Designed for solo drivers, this compact three-wheeler has a sleek aerodynamic body and a rear-mounted single wheel for stability and efficiency. With a range of about 100 miles on a full charge, it's perfect for short trips and city driving. The Solo combines practicality with sustainability, offering a fun, eco-friendly solution for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Wazuma V8M. The Wazuma V8M is a jaw-dropping, high-performance trike powered by a massive 4.7-liter V8 engine. Delivering 460 horsepower, this machine is built for those who crave serious speed. Its futuristic design and aggressive stance make it a showstopper on the road, while the roar of its engine ensures you won't go unnoticed. The Wazuma V8M is for thrill-seekers who want their ride to be as bold and powerful as it is unique. Milo Plus Folding Scooter. The Milo Plus is a versatile three-wheeled electric scooter designed for maximum portability. It folds up in seconds, making it ideal for RV owners, boaters, or city commuters looking for something compact and easy to store. The Milo Plus reaches speeds of up to 18 mph and offers a range of 30 miles on dual batteries, giving it plenty of power for quick trips. Polaris Slingshot. The Polaris Slingshot is a beast that looks like something straight out of a futuristic movie. It's a low-slung, open-air roadster that combines the thrill of motorcycling with the comfort of a car. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine, the Slingshot delivers a thrilling ride with a punchy acceleration. Its unique triangular shape, 2 wheels at the front and 1 at the rear, offers exceptional handling and stability. The cockpit is minimalist yet high-tech, with features like an infotainment system and backup cameras. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. Vanderhall Venice. For those who appreciate retro design mixed with modern performance, the Vanderhall Venice is a dream come true. This three-wheeled roadster boasts a striking vintage-inspired exterior that turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, it's powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that provides plenty of power for a lightweight vehicle. The Venice offers open-air driving with a focus on luxury and comfort. With leather seats and premium materials inside, it's an ideal blend of sophistication and fun. It's perfect for those scenic weekend drives along the coast or countryside. Campa TRex. The Campa TRex is not just a three-wheeler, it's practically a race car for the streets. Combining the dynamics of a motorcycle with the stability of a car, the T-Rex is all about speed and performance. Powered by a powerful 1.6-liter BMW engine, it has an impressive power-to-weight ratio, allowing it to accelerate like a sports car. The open-air cockpit and aggressive stance make it feel like you're driving something straight out of a high-speed chase scene. Morgan three-wheeler. The Morgan three-wheeler is the definition of classic meets cool. This vehicle takes you back in time with its iconic design, reminiscent of the early 20th century, yet it comes with modern-day performance. Handcrafted by Morgan Motor Company, the three-wheeler is powered by a V-twin engine mounted at the front with a manual transmission that offers a hands-on, engaging driving experience. It's a perfect vehicle for those who love classic motoring but still want to enjoy modern reliability. ELO Motors. ELO Motors offers a futuristic solution for those looking to cut down on fuel costs while enjoying a cool, unique ride. This three-wheeled vehicle is designed with efficiency in mind, offering a sleek aerodynamic body that allows it to achieve over 80 miles per gallon. Despite its compact size, the ELO can comfortably seat 2 passengers in a tandem configuration. Aptera. The Aptera is one of the most futuristic-looking three-wheeled vehicles ever made. What sets the Aptera apart from other vehicles is its solar-powered design, which can provide up to 40 miles of driving per day using just solar energy. With an aerodynamic body and ultra-lightweight frame, the Aptera can achieve a range of over 1,000 miles on a full charge, making it an ideal choice for long-distance driving. The Electra Cabin Nilo. The Electra Cabin Nilo 3.2 is a stylish, compact, and practical mobility vehicle designed for 2 passengers. Priced at a modest $6,499, it's street-approved and ideal for navigating city and suburban roads. With a top speed of 45 km/h, powered by a 2.2 kW motor, the Nilo 3.2 excels in short-distance commutes. Avanir Tectus. The Avanir Tectus stands out as a rugged, fully enclosed, three-wheeled mobility scooter that's designed to handle both city streets and off-road adventures. Equipped with a powerful 2000W motor, it reaches a top speed of 20 mph, making it both practical and fun to drive. One of its most impressive features is the 2,400-watt battery, providing a range of up to 289 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for longer trips without worrying about frequent recharging. HarleyDavidson Triglide Ultra. The HarleyDavidson Triglide Ultra is a dream ride for anyone who loves the open road. As one of the most iconic names in motorcycles, Harley-Davidson brings its signature power and style to the world of three-wheeled vehicles. Powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine, the Triglide Ultra delivers an impressive 120 lb-ft of torque and 93 horsepower, giving it plenty of muscle for long road trips. The Etnik FST Evo. The Etnik FST Evo is a state-of-the-art electric trike designed for both urban and off-road environments. Equipped with a powerful motor delivering 95 Nm of torque, it easily tackles rugged terrain while maintaining a smooth, stable ride. The 768W battery provides an impressive range of up to 120 km with electric assistance, making it ideal for longer adventures. These 15 three-wheeled vehicles offer a glimpse into the future of personal transportation while delivering performance, style, and innovation. Whether you're into high-speed roadsters or eco-friendly commuters, there's a three-wheeler here that will blow your mind. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.